2-year-old filly pacers lined up for the second leg of the Kentucky Sire Stakes. Purse of $30,000. Field of 6, the Rongate. And the raw Sorority Girl charges out once again from the outside. Something incredible. Floats out early for LaChance. Best Legacy on the gas early from the far outside. Salsa Stars in the early mix as they race into that opening turn. And Best Legacy continues on up 3 wide there for LaWayne Miller to take up the lead from Sorority Girl. Something incredible. And LaChance continue to sweep up on the outside. Salsa Star is 4th. In front of Magical Bestern, the trailer is a Caribbean Jewel as they race past that opening quarter, 29 seconds even. And Something Incredible, nearly $30,000 bet to Showwater here. And the 1-9 favorite now clears to take control from Best Legacy, who's in tow for a pocket ride second. Sorority Girl remains in third. In front of Salsa Star, who races 5 lengths off the lead, fourth. Magical Bestern still content to track in fifth. In front of Caribbean Jewel, the Kentucky Fair Champ races 8 lengths off the lead from the back of the bus. Single file here, the heavy favorite getting plenty of respect. Past the half, just 58-3, so 29-3 for that second quarter. A well-rated Something Incredible continues to show the way onto the far turn. Salsa Star, though, and Tharps now move up on the outside to apply pressure. Best Legacy begins to tire just a bit along the inside. Sorority Girl is 4th. As Magical Bestern moves to the outside in 5th. It's still Something Incredible. Salsa Star just a length back of the outside second. Best Legacy still third, past 3/4 and 128-3. Something Incredible, the big favorite, turns for home with a 3-length lead. Salsa Stars out of the center of the track in second. Best Legacy is still third as they come down in mid-stretch. It's still Something Incredible trying to make it back to back. Something Incredible wrapped up here as they come down to the finish. Salsa Stars giving chase, but it's all Something Incredible. Another sparkling effort here. Salsa Star finished second. Best back